when I'm working on my videos, I just wanted to show you something if you want to learn, how to work with CapCut. So here's my main video, Udio, and then I've got layers here, and what I've done is added like pictures on top. And then if you go into the pictures, they have like a certain opacity to them. This group here is at around 60 blend mode opacity normal. And then of course I've got like in and out fade effects on it. And then I've copied, duplicated that and pasted it above. Now I inserted these two effects later, but what I've done is, and then just kind of go in closer, make sure everything's aligned. On this group, for the blend mode, I put overlay, or I'm sorry, dodge, color dodge, I think. I've got my screen in certain parameters, so I can't go outside of it to show you, but just to get a general idea. And then I've added certain effects to it, and then I've also gone in and layered these, when I say effects on these, I mean like animation effects, and then these are like your effects that you have up here, that you insert, and of course I just drag them out and everything. So you can kind of get different looks and stuff. And a lot of times I turn like the opacity of the effects down, how much of the effect is going to happen on there. And also just something else kind of fun here. I've used stickers, as they're black stickers, and I've layered these to just kind of give a different effect to the closing CapCut caption, screenshot. So just something kind of different and fun to do. And yeah, you can get some interesting things, effects done. I love to play with software and effects, but you can do some interesting things when you're layering, duplicating and layering, just like if you're working on a picture in something like Photoshop or whatever. Layers can really affect how something looks that you work on. Thanks.